Innovation for waste minimization.
In shops where hot water is not conveniently available, you can choose from 3 heating systems to assure that the Little Squirt has heated water to mix the BECCA water wave additive with microfilm. The Kettle Heater will raise the water to a maximum temperature of 130 degrees in under 3 minutes. The standard electric heat tank system with hand pump and programmable timer heats up to 5 gallons of water using a heat band and preset thermostat. You simply fill the tank with the water and add 1 bottle of BECCA water wave additive with microfilm. You then have enough solution to fill the Little Squirt 16 times with heated water. The continuous electric heat tank system connects directly to your plumbing and assures a continuous supply of water heated to a proper temperature.
Innovation for waste minimization.